Morning students, last class grammar, that is combining sentences using who and which explained. So now today there is here is using when. Combining sentences here using when. We hear God's words. God's words, our heart springs with joy. So here using when. Using when. Here is generally when is beginning of the sentence. So here is answer when we hear God's words, our heart springs with joy. We are using when. Next example, second one is Nick was deeply depressed, he was 8 years old. 8 years old. Here also using when. So here is a combining sentences. This is here is combining. So here is combining means just we should use conjunction in the middle of the sentence. As per here is Nick was deeply depressed when he was 8 years old. Nick was deeply depressed when the conjunction here it is. So Nick was deeply depressed when he was 8 years old. When he was 8 years old. Okay, children. So the next example. Yes. Next third example here is I read a newspaper article about a disabled man. Then I was 13. Here is using when. So here I read a newspaper article. Here is about a disabled man. Then I was 13. Here using when. So beginning of the sentence. Here is first we should write this sentence because when I was 13, I read a newspaper article about a disabled man is meaning. So don't use when I. Here is when I read a newspaper article about a disabled man when I was 13 is not there. So here is when I was 13, when I was 13, I read a newspaper article. When I was 13, I read a newspaper article about a disabled man. Here is when is there. When I was 13, I read a newspaper article about a disabled man. Next one. Here is using in spite of, children. In spite of. They faced problems. Still, they succeeded. In spite of. In spite of. So here is the beginning of the sentence is here is in spite of. Using in spite of and ayinappatiki. So beginning of the sentence is here is in spite of. In spite of. When you are using in spite of VING. Here is main verb is past past tense. So here is it should be changed to continuous tense VING. That is present participle. Here in spite of facing. Faced became facing. Here is facing in spite of facing problems. Here is no subject. This is a phrase no subject. But here is V2 became. Here is VING. Simple tense here is faced. So in spite of is there ing. So here is in spite of facing problems. Still is there. It is not used because in spite of is there. So they here is subject. They succeeded. They succeeded. In spite of facing problems, they succeeded. Next one, children. Lata is rich. She is unhappy. She is unhappy. Here is in spite of. In spite of. In spite of. Lata is rich. She is unhappy. In spite of. Here is no end. In spite of being. In spite of being. So here is there is no principal verb is there, main verb. So we should write. We should use here is being. In spite of being rich. Okay, comma. She means here who? Lata. That is here Lata is unhappy. Lata is here unhappy. So in spite of being is there. In spite of being rich, Lata is unhappy. Next one, children. Next example here is there. She was sorry. She lost her money. Her money. So here is because. So we use because to express the reason. To express the reason. Here is she was sorry. Why she says sorry? Lost her money. Lost her money. So that here is she was sorry because she was sorry because she lost her money. She lost her money. Okay. So this is here is because, and next one is here this is in spite of. So here is faced became facing ing. Problems they succeeded. Next example here is there is no principal verb, helping verb is there, no main verb. So we should write here is being. In spite of being rich. Comma, here is subject is here is Lata is unhappy. Next, she was sorry. She lost her money because she was sorry because she lost her money. Okay, children. Next question. Next one here using here is so that here is using so that. Nick's parents felt too difficult they to bring up to bring him up to bring him up using so that. So here children, so there. So you have to write before this example, it's a big example. Just I am going to here is explain a small example. Okay, for example, the coffee or the tea is too hot. Then here is the tea is too hot means so hot that here is the tea is too hot for me to drink. Same. Here is the tea is so hot. The tea is so hot that me means here is I subject. That I is a present tense so that I cannot drink. So this is a simple example. So here is children Nick's parents felt too difficult. That means too means you should use here is so difficult. So Nick's parents felt so difficult. Here is to bring him up, or here is for me to drink. This is the phrase. So here phrase should be changed into sentence. That is clause. Phrase should be changed into clause. That is sentence. In the sentence, subject is and verb is there. So here is subject means here who refers to here Nick's parents. So difficult that they that is here. That they means here Nick's parents. So Nick's parents felt so difficult that they here is they felt means here feel felt past tense. So they could not. So negative, they could not bring him up. They could not bring him up. Here is that they could not bring him up. Here is this sentence is Nick's parents felt too difficult. Nick's parents felt so difficult. Here is to bring him up is a phrase. He should be changed. He should be converted into a clause. Phrase here converted into a clause. So here is to bring him up means first we have right subject. So then they. Here is why we should write here is could because felt past tense. So could not because it is so difficult. So it is negative. They could not bring him up. Here also too hard means so hard. So cannot. Why? Because it is present tense. Okay, children. I think I will explain. There is some questions, especially in grammar, by next class. Follow the workbook. Thank you.